everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be talking about the new palette from Urban Decay. I'm not exactly sure how long has this been in the market, but this is the one. It's called the Urban Decay After Dark. So, I'm doing a makeup look for getaway look with some friends, girls night out kind of thing. Well, I will have to think about that because I will have to find some girls to spend some night out. But just have it in my imagination that it's really nice sometimes to have a nice dinner, technically after dark, with some friends, kind of like catching up with some good memories from the past. But other than that, also you can go on a date with your, why am I talking about this? Anyway, so this makeup look is intended for my night out with friends. And if you are new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and welcome to my family here in YouTube. I really enjoy doing all these things, and if you have a special request for any kind of tutorial, I would be really very glad to do it and recreate it for you guys. Maybe I can come up with something really different. It's 2017, so I'm right there of trying new things with makeups and all that stuff, colors. It's very exciting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be doing the well, I did the video. I'll be doing a voiceover. And before I forget, what I'm wearing right now, this top is from, I think, Old Navy. I got it from last summer, but I just feel like wearing some whites today. And this choker is from Juliana Joy's Designs, and it's really cute because I love the combination of white and rose gold. So I'll put the link down below of everything that I use and all the products that I use in this video, okay? So I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hi everyone, I am back, and we shall start with my eyes because I already have my face ready. So I'm gonna put a primer, which is the mica, and I've had this for a long time, and I love it better than any other products that I've tried before. So I'm gonna continue doing this. Everything is shimmer in this palette. So I'm probably gonna use a different palette for my transition shade, and then we'll go straight to this After Dark. And I will be using the palette from Lorac Pro. I think this is the nude number 3 because obviously all nude. now I'm just gonna have to wait for my friend.